Okay, today November 5th, Tuesday. I'm here at the Long Beach property, and the tenants 207. We need to replace the light bulbs. So I brought my light bulbs. Alright, so I just put the two new light bulbs. It's LED. So I thought we have to, in order to change to LED, I thought we have to replace the, we gotta do a rewire, but we don't have to because this will just bypassing all the, it says a ballast remain intact. So we don't even have to remove the ballast. So just have to just plug in. That's it. Hopefully it's just light bulbs. I bought LED light bulbs. So okay, so I replaced 4 light bulbs. Yeah, I brought only 4 light bulbs LED, so that's supposed to be that should go more than 10 years, I guess. So yep, that's it. Huh, that's interesting. Okay. We gotta put the handicap post right here, somewhere around here, attached to the wall, maybe. Yeah. And this guy, he parked on the loading zone. Yeah, we should put the cross line in blue. It's kind of hard to see it. Yeah. And the lights, we have something wrong with the timer. Gotta do something and okay. This and we gotta do something about right here. The street number is all peeled up, so that's something we gotta do. And let's see, the fascia board right there, let's all write it up. So yeah, and that part's right there. The wood has been righted up, so that's something we gotta do. And other than that, everything looks good. And I haven't heard anything from Dr. Jackson. He's supposed to make a payment from November, but I haven't received anything from him yet. Just gonna send him a remind email. Okay. Okay, so some of the tenants, they just left all the boxes out there. the trash company, they don't pick up anything outside of their trash bin. So I don't know who. Let me see if I can find any address on the box. 210. So. Okay, Quantum Eye. So Emma Browning. So Quantum Eyes. Yeah. So. Emma Browning. Okay. So I'm gonna send them an email. All right. So I moved all the carbon boxes into the trash can. Hopefully they're gonna pick it up pretty soon. And also I'm gonna send the email to the tenants, make sure they have to put everything inside of the trash bin. Okay?